guys, welcome to Sucking Gamer Course channel guys. So guys, in this video we are gonna learn the JavaScript as the variables guys. And it is an value. You know the variables no guys. Even in code.org also variables is there. What's meaning of variables I'll tell you guys. But in that variable there will be a block, okay, like a green color block. I don't know which color. But if you type on that variable and it's a meaning, it enters a value guys. So let's get started with JavaScript variables guys. So I'll get started guys. So guys, this is a JavaScript variable. You are interested to make a $1 million JavaScript. So don't waste time and let's dive into the amazing language here. Now data types, primitive, non-primitive. What are the data types now guys? There are two data types guys. Now, primitive and non-primitive. In primitive, boolean and numeric is there. And non-primitive, string, array and etc. And boolean is boolean, character is char, and numeric is interregal, and integer is byte, short, inch and long. And floating point is float double. Okay guys. Now variables are containers for storing data values. In Java there are different types of variables. For example, string stores text such as hello. String values are surrounded by double quotes. Int stores integers, whole numbers without decimal such as 123 or 123. Float stores float point numbers with decimal such as 19.99 or 19.99. Boolean stores values with two states, true or false. Char stores single character such as A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quotes guys. Now still. So guys, I will tell this. I'll tell this find variables. Can you see guys? Yeah, find variables in our part 2 guys. So let's complete the part 1 guys. Okay. Now our second question is guys, creating variables guys. To create a variable, you must specify the type and assign it a value. For example guys, type variable is equals to value guys. I understood guys. What I'm only telling I can also understand this. So type variable means variable is a value. For example, you know MIT App Inventor. I know well about MIT App Inventor guys. There will be like orange color as something, and as it is variables, so I can add a new variable. If we write a variable, for example jumping, it will add a value of jumping guys. For example, we have this sprite should be jumping. That variable block we can add guys. For example that guys. So there where type is one of Java's type. Means where type is one of Java's types guys. Such as int or string. Int means don't think guys. Int is an integers guys. Such as integers or string. And variable is the name of the variable. Such as x or name guys. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variable guys. First point guys, to create a variable that should store text. Look at the following example guys. Create a variable called name of type string and assign it the value John. String name guys have to write, instead of variable I have to write string name is equals to John system.output.print in name guys. Now our second point is to create a variable that should store a number guys. Look at the following example. Create a variable called mynum of type integers and assign it a value 15. Okay guys, this is type byte, bit or bytes and it's a range guys. Listen to. So boolean is one bit bytes guys, and char is 16 byte to 2 bytes guys, and byte is 8 bit to 8 byte guys, short is 16 bit to 2 byte guys, integer 32 bits 4 types, and long 64 bits 8 bytes, and float 32 bits 4 bits, and double is 64 bits 8 bits guys. Yeah guys, now let's go to this the last point is you can also declare a variable without assigning the value and assign the value later guys. Example, integer mynum guys. Mynum is equals to 15 guys. System.out.println guys is mynum. Note that if you assign a new value to an existing variable, it will override the previous value guys. Change the value of mynum from 14 to 26 guys. So for example, how to change it means integers mynum is equals to 14 guys, and mynum is equals to 26, and mynum is now 26 guys. System.output.println guys. So guys, finally you have learnt about the JavaScript, the variables guys, are string integers. I thought about string integers and the only one topic as declaring variables. So guys, don't think this is a full part. This is just a part 1 guys. The part 2 video I will tell full explanation of variable guys. So thank you for watching this video guys, and please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel guys, and don't miss to click on a bell icon to receive all my notifications guys, and you will see the bell. So guys, when you click on the bell, you will see all now guys. Click on that all guys. So bye guys.